As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow across the city's towering structures, we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era. Join us as we explore the pinnacle of luxury living in 2024, where architectural marvels meet unparalleled comfort and extravagance. Perched atop one of the city's most prestigious towers, the Penthouse Palace stands as a testament to modern architectural ingenuity. Its sleek, angular design, reminiscent of a majestic eagle spreading its wings, cuts a striking silhouette against the urban canvas. Floor-to-ceiling windows, crafted from the finest glass, offer breathtaking panoramic views of the cityscape, inviting the outside world in. The exterior facade, clad in polished marble and gleaming metal, reflects the ever-changing hues of the sky, transforming the building into a living, breathing work of art. A series of private balconies adorned with lush greenery and delicate water features provide tranquil sanctuaries amidst the bustling metropolis below. Each detail, meticulously crafted, speaks to a commitment to excellence, a symphony of form and function that defines this architectural masterpiece. Stepping inside the Penthouse Palace is akin to entering a realm of refined elegance. The main living area, bathed in natural light streaming through the expansive windows, exudes an aura of spaciousness and tranquility. The interior design, a harmonious blend of modern minimalism and classic sophistication, features a carefully curated selection of luxurious furnishings and bespoke artwork. Rich hardwood floors polished to a mirror sheen create a sense of warmth and grandeur, while plush velvet sofas and armchairs invite relaxation and intimate conversation. A state-of-the-art entertainment system, seamlessly integrated into the design, promises immersive cinematic experiences. The dining area, anchored by a magnificent mahogany table capable of seating 20 guests, sets the stage for unforgettable gatherings. Every element, from the intricate ceiling moldings to the hand-woven silk rugs, whispers of meticulous attention to detail, creating an ambience of unparalleled luxury and comfort. And so we ascend to the apex of this urban habitat, the Master Suite. Here, perched high above the bustling city, a sanctuary of tranquility awaits. Bathed in the warm glow of the morning sun, the Skyline Suite offers a panoramic vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. The cityscape unfolds before us like a vast tapestry, its intricate patterns and ever-changing hues mirroring the rhythm of life below. The suite itself is a masterpiece of modern design, seamlessly blending functionality with exquisite taste. Every detail, from the plush carpets underfoot to the bespoke furnishings, exudes an aura of refined elegance. The centerpiece of this luxurious haven is undoubtedly the king-size bed, draped in the finest linens and promising a night of unparalleled comfort. It is a haven within a haven, a place to escape the relentless pace of city life and surrender to the embrace of slumber. As daylight fades and the city lights begin to twinkle, the Skyline Suite transforms into a magical observatory. The vast expanse of windows offers an unobstructed view of the urban night sky, a celestial canvas painted with the glittering constellations of human endeavor. From this lofty vantage point, one can observe the ebb and flow of city life, the constant motion of vehicles, and the twinkling lights of distant buildings. It is a mesmerizing spectacle, a testament to the ceaseless energy of the metropolis. Yet amidst this urban symphony, a sense of serenity prevails. The suite's soundproofed walls effectively mute the cacophony of the city below, creating an oasis of calm high above the fray. Here one can truly unwind, disconnect from the digital world, and reconnect with the simple pleasures of solitude. The Skyline Suite is a sanctuary for the senses, a place to escape the relentless demands of modern life and rediscover the meaning of true luxury. And now we delve deeper into the heart of this urban sanctuary, where luxury extends beyond the walls of the apartment itself. Here, residents are treated to an exclusive suite of amenities designed to cater to their every whim. A private gymnasium, equipped with the latest fitness technology, stands ready to invigorate the body and mind. For those seeking a more tranquil escape, a spa awaits, offering a haven of tranquility and rejuvenation. But perhaps the most breathtaking feature of this elite retreat is the rooftop garden, a verdant oasis high above the bustling city. It provides a panoramic vista of the urban landscape. Here, residents can unwind amidst lush greenery, sip cocktails under the stars, or simply enjoy the serenity of their own private Eden. These exclusive amenities are not mere luxuries, but rather an extension of the apartment itself, creating a holistic living experience that caters to every aspect of a discerning resident's lifestyle. They are a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that defines this luxury development, where every aspect of life is elevated to an art form. We venture beyond the confines of the apartment to explore the vibrant tapestry of the city itself. Location is everything, and this luxurious residence boasts a coveted address in the heart of the metropolis. Steps away from the bustling central business district, residents have unparalleled access to the nerve center of commerce and industry. Yet, despite its proximity to the financial district, the apartment remains a sanctuary, insulated from the relentless pace of city life. Culture vultures will delight in the abundance of art galleries, theaters, and museums within walking distance. From grand concert halls to intimate jazz clubs, the city's cultural offerings are as diverse as its inhabitants. World-class dining experiences are also within easy reach, with Michelin-starred restaurants and trendy cafes dotting the neighborhood. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a celebratory gathering with friends, the city's culinary scene promises to tantalize every palate. This is a location that truly offers the best of both worlds, the convenience and excitement of city living, combined with the tranquility and exclusivity of a private retreat. And so, our journey through the realm of luxurious living comes to an end. We have witnessed firsthand the exquisite design, unparalleled amenities, and prime location that define these exceptional residences. Thank you for joining this luxurious journey. Which of these stunning apartments would you choose to call home?